Welcome back. Today we are going to discuss about regarding elements of optical fiber communication system. Okay. So generally we know that the optical fiber system is used to send the data from one place to another place. The optical fiber system is used to send the data from one place to another place, and that data can be either audio, video, text, images, numbers, symbols, etc. The data can be either audio, video, text, images, numbers, symbols, etc. So that data can be sent from one place to another place, and the data can be sent from one equipment to another equipment by using this optical fiber system, right? So that we will see in today class. So here the equipments are either telephone or computer or video device applications. The equipments are computer, telephone or video device applications. That data can be sent from one equipment to another equipment, right? That equipment is computer, telephone or video device applications, right ma? So now we'll see the block diagram. So this one is the block diagram for optical fiber communication system. So if you observe carefully, so here it is having electrical signal as input, and here it is having electrical signal as output. That means the data, whatever the data we are sending from one place to another place, that is in the form of electrical input signal. Okay, that data can be in the form of electrical signal, right? So whatever we are sending the data from one place to another place, right, whatever it is for the input, that should be at the output without any disturbance. Okay, the data can be sent from one place to another place without any loss. Okay, that we have observed in this block diagram. Okay, now we divide this entire block diagram into three parts. Okay, one is the transmitter, second one is of the regenerator, and third one is of receiver. One is the transmitter, second one is of regenerator or repeater, and third one is receiver. So transmitter, regenerator and then receiver. So these three parts. So in this block diagram, the electrical signal is moved from one place to another place with this optical fiber system. Okay, so here red color is of electrical signal and blue color is of optical signal. In this figure we can observe clearly, right? So red color signal is electrical signal and blue color is of optical signal, right? So now we divide this entire block diagram into three parts: transmitter, regenerator and then receiver. Okay, first thing is transmitter. So transmitter is having two blocks. First one is of drive circuit, second one is of light source. So in block diagram we can see it. Okay, so here the electrical signal, that is data can be in the form of electrical signal, that is applied to drive circuit, right? The drive circuit gives the wave carrier. The drive circuit gives the wave carrier to the electrical signal for modulation purpose, and that is applied to the light source here. And this light source can be either LED or laser diode. This light source can be either LED or laser diode. So these light sources convert the electrical signal into optical signal. Okay, this light source can be converted the electrical signal into optical signal. Okay, that's the thing. And next one, so this one is for transmission link, optical fiber transmission link. So here it is having connector, optical slicer, next optical fiber and then beam splitter or optical coupler. Okay, so here the connectors are used for temporary connection of optical fiber. Okay, connectors are used for temporary connection of optical fiber. Next, optical slices are used for permanent connection. Okay, optical slices are used for permanent connection. Next, it is optical fiber. Next, here the optical signal can be given to another equipment by using optical coupler or beam splitter. Okay, so here the signal is given to the regenerator, and this signal is to another equipment. Okay, so that one is of the transmission link, right? And next one is regenerator circuit. So the regenerator circuit is having three blocks. First one is optical receiver, electronic circuit, and then optical transmitter. First one is of the optical receiver. Next, this one is of electronic circuit, and this one is of optical transmitter. So here the first one, whatever the optical receiver, right? So it receives the optical signal and converts back to electrical signal. It receives the optical signal and converts back to electrical signal. So this electrical signal is applied to electronic circuit. So here the electronic circuit restores the original signal. It restores the original signal and its output is given to the optical transmitter. And this optical transmitter converts the electrical signal into optical signal. The optical transmitter converts the electrical signal into optical signal. So once again I am repeating. So the regenerator receives the optical signal to the optical receiver. This optical receiver converts the optical signal into electrical signal. That electrical signal is given to the electronic circuit. Here the electronic circuit restores the original characteristics of the signal. It restores the original characteristics of the signal, and that output is given to the optical transmitter. So optical transmitter converts the electrical signal into optical signal, right ma? So then this output is again given to the receiver. Okay, next block is of receiver. So we have discussed now transmitter, we have discussed. Next optical transmission we have discussed. Next one is of regenerator. Here from this optical transmitter the optical signal is given back to the receiver. Okay, here is also we have used the optical slicer and then optical amplifier. Okay, this one is of optical slicer for permanent connection, and this one is of optical amplifier. So by using which we can amplify the optical signal, right? And the signal is given to the receiver. The next block is receiver. Now we will discuss this. So this one is of receiver. So receiver is having mainly three blocks. First one is of photodetector, amplifier, and then signal restorer. First one is of photodetector, amplifier, signal restorer. So in this figure it is having first one photodetector, amplifier, and then signal receiver or restorer, right ma? So here the first block photodetector, that can be either pin diode or avalanche photodiode. That can be either pin diode or avalanche photodiode. Here you can see, right? So these diodes converts the optical signal into electrical signals. The pin diode or avalanche photodiode converts the optical signal into electrical signals, right? So or else we can use this photo transmitter. Instead of this pin diode or avalanche photodiode, we can use this photo transmitter for detection of optical signal and conversion of the optical signal to electrical signal. Okay, so in photodetector we can use either pin diode or avalanche photodiode or photo transmitter. Okay, that is regarding photodetector. So photodetector converts the optical signal into electrical signal, and that signal is given to the amplifier. Okay, amplifier and then signal restorer. So these two blocks amplify the electrical signal and restores the electrical signal. Okay, the photodetector output is given to the amplifier and then signal restorer to amplify and get the original electrical signal. Okay, that is regarding receiver. Okay, so the receiver is having mainly three blocks. So first one is of photodetector, this one is of the amplifier, and this one is of signal restorer. So finally we get the electrical signal as output, right? So that is the entire figure, right ma? So block diagram of optical fiber communication system. So it is having mainly three blocks. First one is of transmitter, regenerator, and then receiver. So at the transmitter we can get the, it will convert the electrical signal into optical signal. Next, regenerator is used to get the original characteristics of the signal, right? And that output is given to the receiver. At the receiver, the optical signal is converted back to the electrical signal, and it will be amplified and to get the original electrical signal. So that is at the output here. So whatever we are sending the electrical signal at the input, that will be at the output, right? So that is regarding optical fiber communication system, right? So today we have discussed regarding the elements of an optical fiber communication system, right? Thank you.